Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. In this video I'll be showing you all I am going to achieve this hairstyle. Yes, it's called pick and drop, and I will be using this color like a light, very light purple to make this hairstyle. Have you tried this hairstyle before? Me, I've done this hair several times and is one of my best, not my best, one of my best favorite hair to make. Yeah, so I'll be using two pack of expression and all that. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Yes, if you like what you see, let me know if in the comment section. If you are going to try this hair or you have done it before, let me know in the comment section. So I will be right back, and don't forget to smash the notification bell so whenever I upload any new video you will be the first to know. And also don't forget to use the super thanks if you find this video interesting. So guys, I will be right back.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream.
So guys, after making this kind of hair, you have to brush it. Like, you need brush to brush it because there are some particles that are tight on the tips and on the expression. You need to comb it out so it can be easy for you to coil. Yeah, so this hair took me, I started making this hair like about 10 o'clock, like to 10, and I finished on around 1:30. Yes, I'm so fast in making of hair. I'm so fast. Yes, I'm very, very fast. Those people that know me, how I make my hair, I am very, very fast. If, for example, I'm making this hair for someone, I'm making this hair for like 3 hours. Yes, that is how fast I am. So I'm just dragging it, like using my thread to drag it like this and all that. So I'm going to put it inside the hot water and all that, and I used 2 pack of expression to achieve this. So my expression was not enough, so I decided to put a little black inside. Yes, a little black, a touch of black in one side. Do you like the color? I love it. I don't just like it, I love the color. Yes, I wanted to do something that is very, very tiny, that can take for 3 weeks or more than. But you all know me that I cannot take my hair more than this hair. I can take it for 2 weeks because I have a lot of tutorial to do. Yeah, so guys, and after a bath, the next day I put the hair on hot water and I lose it the next day. Obi helped me to put this hair on hot water because I cannot put hot water on this hair because I don't want to pour hot water on myself and all that. So Obi actually helped me to put hot water on my hair, and this is it. And it coils so well. I left it for the next day overnight, and in the morning I decided to take it off and all that. So to show you all how the coil turns out, and this is it. This is how it looks. Did you like it? Let me know in the comment section if you like this hair. Okay, so guys, I will see you all on my next video. Bye.
And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna